Well, hello to everyone, and this is Neuromarketing Essentials. The next part about the human brain and how it operates when you buy something. According to the experts in the books that I read, they explain plenty of things concerning nervous cells or neurons, how the brain directly controls all body functions, how your perceptions actually influence you, and how in general all the nervous systems play a critical role when you are buying something. This is one of the recommendations today: Cracking Creativity: The Secrets of Creative Genius by Mr. Michael McCullough. Today, hello again, thanks for your attention, and my intention today within 5 minutes is to explain to you my research concerning neuromarketing, and by the way, the correction in pronunciation about neuroscience and neurons and all what I researched in there. Neuromarketing Essentials. So, what I read, I'm going to write it there, as you know, magically. You should know in 5 minutes what are the key factors to consider. So let's begin with a couple of words I'd like to write in here. What are the main parts of the process when a customer begins with something that you need to consider about this topic? I'll say here, perception. This perception, of course, has to do with the way your customer sees your place, your product, your brand. So, in this research, what I saw is that you have different kinds of perceptions. You will have the visual one, auditive one, olfactory one, and the sensitive one. I'm going to write them in here. There you are. And then here I would say that those perceptions that create sensations in you, in the customer, they generate a magical word in here, stimuli. So, I like to underline the word here, stimuli, and it what generates in every single customer or client. So here, those stimuli generate associations, reactions, desires, not necessarily in that order, but that's precisely the intention. So you would say that those generate intentions. So let me erase this in here. There you are. And then I'd like to write the word intentions. Here, magically, the word intentions. Yes, and my interest is to know what are those intentions? The intentions of my customers. Yes, you guessed right. Checking, buying, leaving. Those are usually the intentions of your customers. Of course, your main interest is buying. So let's keep the word buying in here. Let's get rid of checking and leaving because your intention ultimately is that they buy, the purchase. Voila. There you go. Buying. That my customers buy my products. So here I have to say that if I generate the pretended intentions in my customers out of the stimuli that I mentioned before, well, my customers will be led into buying, of course. So how do I get that? Through neuromarketing. Well, technology today is always studying the behavior of those customers, like I mentioned before, through technology. So let me write here, behavior through technology, in order to know how the customer definitely perceives everything. Yes, we got it there. So behavior analysis through technology in order to know what are the next intentions of my customers. So with this, I can determine and anticipate what is going to happen. So those are the keywords for neuromarketing today. Please keep them in mind, and the following titles too. These are the titles that I recommend you to read and the cell phone number where you can get them. All of them very, very recommendable. For the best possible price, the best marketing and neuromarketing strategies. Thank you for your time. And up to the next video.